And now, Lesson 3, Mathematics Multiplication, 5s and 10s. Let's review. Multiplication is something that is many times over the current amount of something. Multiplying by 0 is always 0. Multiplying by 1 is always the other number. Multiplying by 2 is like twins sharing. Multiplying by 4 is double that. Reviewing continued, let's look at some key terms. Factor, either of the numbers being multiplied together. Multiplier, the first factor. Multiplicand, the second factor. Product, the answer of multiplication.
Don't fear it, learn it.
Now let's move on to 5s. Do you recognize our 100 chart at the bottom of the page? Multiplying by 5, the product will always end in either 0 or a 5. You can practice skip counting by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. Every time you finish counting a hand, the 5th finger or thumb is the product of however many times you counted. This is a skip counting by 5s chart. You'll notice that every 5th number has a blank square for you to practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. Another way to look at this is a 100 chart here, where every 5th number is either yellow or green. Do you think you've learned enough? Let's see if you can find out what each of the products are in the following. Remember our rule, 5 times blank equals a number ending in 5 or a number ending in 0. 5 times 0 equals 0. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 times 4 equals 20. 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 times 8 equals 40. 5 times 9 equals 45. Ready? What's 5 times 10? 5 times 10 equals 50. Get ready. Next, we're going to learn our tens rule. Multiplying by 10 is very simple. 10 times 0 equals 0. 10 times 1 equals 10. 10 times 2 equals 20. 10 times 3 equals 30. 10 times 4 equals 40. 10 times 5 equals 50. See if you can tell me the rule once you see the pattern. Do you think you have it? Can you finish these? 10 times 6 equals 10 times 7 equals 10 times 8 equals 10 times 9 equals, and 10 times 10 equals. Here are the rules. Multiplying by 5, the product will always end in either a 0 or a 5. Multiplying by 10, the product will always be the multiplicand with a 0 after. Here comes the quiz. Get ready. And as always, there's a link for the quiz on my Google Plus page, and you can pause the screen. Ready? Here come the answers. Pause the screen so you can check your answers. In the next lesson are 2 handy tricks for multiplying by Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.